Nelson Mandela said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Hi everyone, my name is Teng Kit. I am 10 years old. I am from Kids Public Speaking, Bangsar South. If I can change one thing in this world, it would be to abolish examinations. Why? I'm not a lazy person. I like going to school. I like reading and learning new things. But I dislike examinations. Since the first day I stepped into school, my parents and teachers reminded me to study hard and pass the examinations with flying colors. If not, I'll not come up top in the class ranking. Class rankings stress me out. I shuddered when the word exams is announced. So I asked myself, do I study hard and pass examinations? I am certain many other kids have the same question. What is the purpose of school? Is it to pass examinations and get good grades? Well, I don't think so. The purpose of education is to gain knowledge, learn new things, and explore the world with our mind and learn to think for ourselves. It is not to pass or even ace examinations. We should not be defined by our examination results. We need to build character such as perseverance, empathy, compassion, grit, and develop the love for learning. I believe if all of us have the love for learning and strength, we can learn to face rejections, deal with failures, and take up challenges with finesse and courage. With compassion, you can heal the world to make it a better place for you, me, and the entire human race. Here's my last message to all my dear friends. Please, don't feel frustrated or beat yourself up when you're not doing well in your examinations. Do not let the examinations define who you are. You are more than the examination results. And remember, don't let the examination results take away your interest in learning. Let's abolish examinations and make learning fun again.